Assalamu alaikum grade 2 and welcome to your second lesson of computing in week number 10. In today's class we will be discussing how algorithm helps the all of the software engineers and computer engineers in making a program, right? Okay, now in order to learn how algorithm helps us in making a plan, let's first learn what a program is. Okay, tell me what do you understand by this term in normal basis? Like when somebody says that I have a, today I have a program that we will be, today we have a program, let's say. So this means, or today you will watch a program on television. So this means that that would be something and organized, which would be having a starting, which would be having a proper ending, which will be having a series of steps that will help you understand a whole situation. Let's say you watch a television program or a documentary program on television on a channel, right? Everyday basis the program comes on 8 p.m., right? It have a proper starting, it have a proper subject, right? And then it shows you that the things related to that subject one by one, and then it have a proper ending as well. That is a program, right? Or let's say we make programs that I have a program that I'll visit my friend tonight, right? So this is also a program. This means that I have made a plan in my mind. Now what is the plan? That I'll be leaving my home by this time, I'll visit that friend, I'll be taking this with me, I'll sit over there for this many time, and then I'll be back, right? So this is the program. Now similarly computers also have program, right? So a program are basically series of commands, right, which are there in the computer, and the commands tell the computer what to do. Now, at your level, what is more important to understand is whatever is being done in your computer, whatever is helping. Let's say, consider it as you want to edit something, right? You want to edit something, and that editing is not being done. Is not supposed to do. You cannot do that. Why? And you ask somebody from your elder that I want to do this, but the computer is not helping me to do. So your father tells you that the program is not there. We need to install a program, and then this will help us. Then you will be able to do this, right? Now, what are basically programs? Your father will install that program. There would be some proper steps in that. First, you will download that, then you are supposed to install it, right? So installation will be starting with, there would come an agreement page. You will accept all of these things. Yes, I agree with this as well, all these terms and policies, and then you will start the installation, right? Then it will start installing in your computer. It will take a proper period of time. After that, when it will get installed, it will tells you that what are the things which are being installed in your computer, and it will ask you a permission that this program wants to make some changes in your computer, right? Now that changes or that commands are what basically that wherever that program fits in your computer, it will make changes in that particular area, right? Let's first discuss or first read what is in your book, what is written in your book about the program together. I want all of you to open your book page number 44. Hurry up. So all of you have opened your book page number 44. Okay, great. Now let's see. It says that in this lesson you will learn how making an algorithm helps you to plan a program. And now let's first read the definition of a program. It says that a program is a series of commands. Series mean that there is not single command. There are series of means multiple commands, right? The commands tell the computer what to do, and those commands tell the computer what to do. When you run a program, the computer carries out all the commands in the program, and when you install or when you run that program, the computer takes out all these commands, and then the program is get installed in your computer, right? There are a lot of programs. Okay, let's understand this in this way, that in order to play these videos, there are different types of players, right? These are programs, small programs which you install in your computer to watch different videos, right? Let's say you want to you downloaded a cartoon in your computer, and the format or the player which you already have in your computer is not supporting that format, so you will be downloading another one for that, right? Through that, what you are doing basically, you are commanding your computer to play this type of videos as well, right? So that all types of commands will automatically get installed in your computer. It will get saved, and then it will help you to run that particular thing, right? Now I'm going to share the screen again with you. Let's first quickly revise what does algorithm means. What we are discussing is how algorithm helps you plan a program. So algorithm is that you give an input to the computer, like I'm telling you that you want to play something, you want to watch something, but that thing is not supported by your computer, so you will give an input. What is that input? You will install that program, right? Now what that program is, there are some set of rules which are to obtain the expected output, that you want to install that program to get something out of it. That it, let's say you want to play a game by using that program, that software. Let's say you want to watch the videos from that. Let's say you want, your documents are not opening, and for that you are running a program, right? And then you will have a proper output. What would be the output? That all of the commands that you have given to the computer will run all of those commands, will get all of those commands, and then the computer will give you an output for that, right? This is an algorithm. Now how does algorithm helps you to run a program, or how it is useful? That, like I have told you, that a program consists of series of commands, right? And that command should be done one by one. If there is something which happens one after the another, if their series is mismatched, that the program will not run. Now there is no fault by the hand of computer. Whatever the program in word, whatever manner you will install, it will be installed in the same manner. But yes, there can be a problem in the making of the program. So all of the computer engineers, all of the software engineers which are there working day and night, what do? When they make a program, they test it day and night for from every angle, right? There are some special there is a special post, people who check that program for every angle to test that whether, or what are the possibilities where error can occur in this program, right? So first they check it, right, in every case and from every aspect, and to remove all of those errors, and then that program is available for the local people, for us to run it, to use it in our laptops, computers, or whatever the thing is, right? So this is how, or this is why algorithm is related to program. That algorithm are the set of rules, and a program construction and a program installation, both are the set of rules, and both involves the step by step procedure. And if you will not follow that procedure, a program will not run properly, right? So this is how algorithm is related to a program, and this was the topic of today. It further says that and the people, or the person who makes a computer program, is known as a programmer. And a programmer sometimes make an algorithm before they make the program. The algorithm is the plan for the program. Algorithm in general, algorithm is a plan, and a programmer also makes an algorithm for the program, that how will he make a program. Like this picture that I have shared with you on the screen, it involves a lot of processes, a lot of steps, right? Maybe a programmer can use the similar one, maybe it use the different one. So what it helps, it helps in following all these steps properly and looking for the different procedures. Let's say when you reach over there, you have two options, either this or either this, right? So if you reach over there and you have something which is not correct, you will start repeating the procedure from here. If it is yes, you will have an end, right? So there are some possibilities that at some point the thing will not work properly, so you will go to the back step and you will follow the steps again. So why algorithm is related to, or how algorithm helps us in planning the program, basically it tells us about the proper procedure, the steps that we are supposed to follow in order to make a program. Got it? So in tomorrow's class, inshallah, we will practice this on Scratch, right? As well, that how it is related to that, and how people make the programs, and how we can use these planning on Scratch as well. So hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do revise the lecture at your home, and let me know if you have any confusion, and learn more about algorithm and how it is related to program, and share your views with me. Share this video with others as well, because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.